Welcome to Art's informational video about the GearWrench 90-tooth ratcheting combination wrench. It's marked with the size, GearWrench logo, GearWrench name, 90 teeth, GearWrench size again. On the other side, it's marked with the size, the GearWrench logo, GearWrench name, part number, and the size again. Has an open end, a ratcheting box end. It's nice and smooth. To reverse it, ratcheting, you have to flip the wrench over. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the GearWrench 90-tooth ratcheting combination wrench.